Cesarea Pedro Penduko pass to begin, good move, moving up on the outside. Now he's Lord of the Sun, Bagong Barrio, Happy Boomer. Hokio comes next, and on the outside, Barkadahan, Pabiola, and Exotic Playboy. He's the early trailer, Pedro Penduko by out a length, Lord of the Sun in second, Limbo's Pet down on the inside. Bagong Barrio is racing in port, Hockey in Pipa down on the inside. Sixth position is Happy Boomer, good move, Barkadahan, Pabiola, and a long way back to Exotic Playboy. That's still Pedro Penduko by about 2 lengths. Lord of the Sun now trying to get closer in second, Bagong Barrio in third, Limbo's Pet is racing in fourth, Hockey in Pipa down on the inside. 6 Happy Boomer, good move, Pabiola, Barkadahan, and Exotic Playboy. Now 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Bagong Barrio moving up, Lord of the Sun on the outside. In between horses, Pedro Penduko, good move, Hockey Hoka. Now trying to get closer in port, Barkadahan, Bagong Barrio, Lord of the Sun fighting it out for the lead. As they come down at the last 150, Lord of the Sun, Bagong Barrio is down on the inside. Lord of the Sun, Bagong Barrio is running by the rail. Lord of the Sun, Bagong Barrio, Lord of the Sun, Bagong Barrio fighting it out for the lead. Lord of the Sun, Bagong Barrio entering the finish line. It's Bagong Barrio, Lord of the Sun. Then comes good move number 5, Happy Boomer, Hockey Hawk.
69253, unofficial po yan. Mabot tayo ng 530,000 sa